Oh my god.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Sorry, Mom and Dad, but I gotta help the stranger who dropped his ball first.
No way.
Raising a cat and you can feel the snow in the middle of July. This is a sign that dog owners should really buy the best quality pants. If you can't remember the last time you're in a bathroom alone, high chances you're a cat owner. It's not like what you're thinking. Cat's just trying to clean the drawer out. Cardboard's final mission after storing goods for human is sacrificing their lives to entertain our pets.
Come on, walk it out. Put it together, buddy.
Everybody needs to learn how to take responsibility of their own action.
Good job, look. You did a good job.
When Mom has been away for a week, so you have to sleep with her clothes. It's scorching, but your cat just hates the fan sound.
Hey. That's mine. No, stop.
First time saw Mom's twin. Thought someone was pretending to be her.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
What are you doing, monkey? Oh, no!
The problem with wet dogs is that they suddenly become too active.
You're doing a great job, Rachel. Everyone's gonna be okay.
Oh my god.
Roma, no!
When you come home drunk after a party and start doing the dumbest things. Trying to find clothes for the first date be like,
oh my gosh.
I forgot to get your camera.
I got it. We do not have a living room anymore. We don't have sofas anymore. We don't have books anymore. We don't have a chess set anymore. What? Flurry? Who did this? Who did this, Flurry? Oh, you're leaving? You're leaving? Don't get huskies, guys. Don't get huskies. Oh, just chilling. Just chilling there like nothing happened. Where's the rest of you? Just chilling like nothing.
When your dog believes it's time to decorate your apartment with his footprints. Another harmless object on the list of things that scare cats out.
Chewy, no. Chewy.
Get a cat. It will be fun, they said. And this is how fun looks like.
Chewy.
Give me your food, human. I will get you some of mine, I promise.